While the whole crypto market was on a roll towards the end of the summer, Fantom, or FTM, was one of the significant winners. The possibility for Fantom to be a better version of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has sparked an interest. People desire quick, secure, and inexpensive cryptocurrencies. All of the requirements are fulfilled by Fantom. If you're considering adding Fantom to your cryptocurrency portfolio, this video will teach you all you need to know. What is Fantom? Fantom is a smart contract platform that is high-performing, scalable, and secure. It was created to address the shortcomings of earlier blockchain systems. Fantom is open source, permissionless, and decentralized. An Byung-ik, a South Korean computer scientist, launched Fantom in 2018. In 2019, An departed Fantom. Fantom has since been led by the Fantom Foundation, an incorporated Cayman Islands organization, since February 2019. A group of 28 engineers, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs make up the Fantom Foundation. The platform is made up of many components. The basis is the Fantom Opera blockchain. It's a free and open-source directed acyclic graph network that works with the Ethereum virtual machine to run current smart contracts and construct new ones that interact with Ethereum contracts. Lachesis, a leaderless proof-of-stake system with a unique asynchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus mechanism, validates Fantom transactions. Validations based on ABFT are quicker and less costly than those based on proof-of-work or traditional proof-of-stake systems. Transactions are completed in seconds rather than minutes using ABFT systems. Each dApp built on Fantom has its own blockchain network. Custom coins, economies, and governance rules are all possible on these blockchains. They're all powered by the Lachesis consensus mechanism and can communicate with dApps on multiple Fantom blockchain networks. This is why Fantom's platform is frequently referred to as a network of networks. Opera blockchains can run Ethereum smart contracts and connect with Ethereum-based dApps thanks to an EVM-compatible virtual machine. FTM, the Fantom utility token, is used to pay network fees, reward validators, execute financial transactions, secure governance rights, and reward validators. How does it work? Fantom's components are modules that dApp developers may join together. All of the platform's components include standalone functionality as well as integration connections that allow them to be combined into low-cost Fantom smart contract applications. One way to understand the Fantom platform is as a full-service ledger for decentralized apps. A user interface, a database of some sort, and custom code to conduct computations and other operations are all included in every dApp. For validating and recording transactions, every dApp benefits from a dependable, distributed, decentralized ledger. Fantom delivers the ledger, not only a blockchain and an API, but a comprehensive suite of utilities and tools that developers can use to build dApps in an easy-to-use interface. Traditional blockchain developers face the blockchain trilemma, which challenges them to strike a balance between transaction speed, security, and decentralization. One or two of these criteria can be optimized by ledgers based on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other commonly used platforms, but not all three. Fantom claims that its ABFT consensus technology delivers complete security and decentralization while allowing for significantly faster transaction speeds and cheaper costs. Simple FTM transactions take around a second to complete and cost about $0.0000001. How to use Fantom? Entrepreneurs and software developers that want to build secure distributed apps will be interested in Fantom. The ecosystem as a whole is tuned in to the specific requirements of dApp development. Investors may be interested in the FTM coin as well. The coins let you participate in Fantom's POS validation process, where you may earn rewards for being a validator or delegating money to a trusted validator. You may also buy FUSD using FTM, which you can use as collateral to buy and sell synthetic tokens. Traditional wallets may be used to hold FTM coins and other Fantom assets. Because of their Ethereum interoperability, keys will be safe in online, offline, and hardware wallets. As part of the Fantom project, Fantom provides a free wallet. The user interface of this wallet allows for quick access to all aspects of the Fantom ecosystem. The Fantom wallet converts Fantom ERC20 and BEP2 tokens on the Ethereum and Binance networks automatically. Cryptomat provides a safe storage solution that allows you to easily store and exchange your FTM tokens. When you save your loop ring with Cryptomat, you get enterprise-grade security and easy-to-use functionality. When you use our safe platform as your storage option, you may buy and sell FTM in seconds, or trade it for any other cryptocurrency. The Lachesis ABFT consensus method is a more powerful version of the proof-of-stake system. By staking 3.175 million FTM, anyone may become a validator. By staking one or more FTM to establish validators, users may participate in validation and earn rewards. The payout for 365 days of staking tokens to a validator is equal to a 13% annual percentage return. Without a long-term commitment, delegating generates a 4% annual percentage yield. Staked FTM are not used for transactions, however. They may be used as collateral to mint SFTM for use in Fantom's DeFi program. In Fantom's DeFi universe, there are no fees for minting or repaying SFTM. Is Fantom a good investment? Fantom is a well-designed platform for creating and deploying decentralized applications, DApps, based on digital assets and smart contracts. Tools and components make it faster and easier to create DApps that operate safely, rapidly, and cheaply. The FTM coin is appealing due to its function in the Fantom ecosystem, but it can also be traded and used to produce passive income when staked on the Fantom POS network. Is Fantom legal? Fantom is legal in the United States, but whether Fantom is legal in other countries is ultimately a matter of national sovereignty. How do I protect myself? Protect yourself from scammers that view cryptocurrency as a way to scam investors. Buyer beware as always. Beyond those issues, simply owning Fantom puts you in danger of theft as hackers attempt to break into the computer networks that keep your money safe. In 2014, a well-known exchange went bankrupt after hackers stole hundreds of millions of dollars in bitcoins. Those aren't usual hazards associated with stock and mutual fund investments on major U.S. markets. How do I buy Fantom? To buy Fantom, you must first establish an account with a crypto exchange that supports the Fantom token. If you're buying FTM as a long-term investment, you'll want to keep it safe by putting the private key in a wallet. Then it's time to exchange some USD into FTM. Simply go to your exchange's Fantom page and make your acquisition. Coinbase is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange where you can open a wallet and buy and sell Fantom and other cryptocurrencies. Should I buy Fantom? I must first issue a disclaimer before answering this question. This is not financial advice because I am not a financial consultant. This is my own opinion, not financial advice. Before investing in any of the various cryptocurrencies available, please conduct your research and due diligence. This is created to help you easily understand the topic with our animated explanations. If you are buying with the hope of another big gain in the next 9 months, you may be disappointed. There's a good chance that a frenzy of smart contract speculation has pushed Fantom's price to its recent highs, and there's no guarantee it will hold. Since the market is extremely unpredictable in the short term, it makes more sense to consider how you believe Fantom can perform in the long term. Only invest in Fantom if you feel it will outperform the market in the coming years or decades. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, so stay away from popular assets that promise big returns in the short term. Nobody knows if Fantom will succeed, but if you have a trust in its long-term potential, be prepared to ride through the waves of volatility with your investments. Bitcoin's value has dropped by more than 80% in the past, and Ethereum's value has dropped by almost 95% on occasion. Fantom, or cryptocurrency in general, may not be the best investment for you if you're not okay with short-term volatility. Will Fantom become a widespread and mainstream form of currency in the future? Nobody can be certain. It has its benefits, but it remains very speculative at this time. It might be a good long-term investment if you believe in its potential. Otherwise, there are a plethora of alternative investment opportunities available.